Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Jeep app if it's not working. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the steps to troubleshoot this issue. First, you need to make sure you have the latest version of the app. Open your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type Jeep and locate the app. If the app needs an update, you will see an update button instead of open. Tap update and wait for it to install. After updating, reopen the app to check if the issue is resolved. That is the Play Store method. Step 2 is to clear cache and data. Long press on the Jeep app icon and select the Info I button. Go to the storage section, tap on Clear Cache first and check if the issue is fixed. If not, tap on Clear Data then to reset the app. Clearing data will log you out of the app, so you will need to log back in afterward. If the previous steps did not work, uninstall the app. Just uninstall the app. After uninstalling, go back to your Play Store or App Store and reinstall the Jeep app. Once the app is installed, log in and check if the problem is resolved. By following these steps, one of the methods should fix the issue with the Jeep app. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.